In this video, we're going to break down how to convert between cubic units and liters in a simple way. Now, to get started, you'll need to understand how to work with prefixes for liters and cubic meters. Now, as I explained in my previous video, we use prefixes like kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, and milli to convert between these units. Now, these prefixes help indicate whether a unit represents a larger amount or a smaller amount. Now, if you'd like to watch a full tutorial on this topic, you can find the link in the description box below. Now, when converting between liters, each unit is 10 times larger than a unit to the immediate right and 10 times smaller than a unit to the immediate left. And this means when converting liters, the number of steps to the right from one prefix to another tells us how many times to multiply by 10, and the number of spaces to the left from one prefix to another tells us how many times to divide by 10. Now, converting cubic units works in a similar way, but when we move to the right on the conversion line, instead of multiplying by 10, we multiply by 1,000. And when moving to the left on the conversion line, instead of dividing by 10, we divide by 1,000. So, now that we understand how to convert between different prefixes of liters and how to convert between different prefixes of cubic units, I will now demonstrate how to convert cubic units to liters and liters to cubic units. But first, there are 3 key facts to remember that can help when converting between cubic units and liters. The first key fact is that 1 centimeter cube equals 1 milliliter. And this means that the volume in cubic centimeters is the same as in milliliters. 1 centimeter cube equals 1 milliliter. Therefore, 2 centimeters cube equals 2 milliliters, and 3 centimeters cube equals 3 milliliters, and so on. The second key fact is that 1 decimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. And this means that the volume in cubic decimeters is the same in liters. 1 decimeter cube equals 1 liter. Therefore, 2 decimeters cube equals 2 liters, and 3 decimeters cube equals 3 liters, and so on. The third key fact is that 1 meter cubed is equal to 1,000 liters. And this means that a cubic meter can hold 1,000 liters. So when converting from cubic meters to liters, you simply multiply by 1,000. 1 meter cubed equals 1,000 liters. Therefore, 2 meters cubed equals 2,000 liters. 3 meters cubed equals 3,000 liters, and so on. Now, if you can remember these 3 key facts, it can make converting between cubic units and liters much easier. So again, I recommend that you do your best to remember that 1 centimeter cube equals 1 milliliter, 1 decimeter cube equals 1 liter, and 1 meter cube equals 1,000 liters. Now, I'll use an example to demonstrate how remembering these 3 key facts can help with converting between cubic units and liters. Let's say I have a box with the volume of 2.5 decimeters cubed. How many centiliters is that equal to? Well, first, what do we know about cubic decimeters? Well, when we look at our 3 key facts, we see that 1 decimeter cubed is equal to 1 liter. And if 1 decimeter cubed is equal to 1 liter, that means 2.5 decimeters cubed is equal to 2.5 liters. So, now that we've converted cubic units to liters, we can convert to any prefix of liters we want. In this example, we want to convert to centiliters. And remember, when converting between different prefixes of liters, we simply multiply by a power of 10 or divide by a power of 10. Well, since centi is 2 steps to the right of liter on the conversion line, we need to take 2.5 and multiply by 10 2 times, or by 100 1 time. And 2.5 multiplied by 100 equals 250. So 2.5 liters is equal to 250 centiliters. So, now that we've seen how to convert cubic units to liters, let's switch it around and convert liters to cubic units. Now, let's say I have a water bottle that holds 500 milliliters, and I want to know how many decimeters cubed that's equal to. Well, first, let's think about what we know about milliliters. Well, when we look at our 3 key facts, we see that 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cubed. And if 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cubed, that means 500 milliliters is equal to 500 centimeters cubed. So, now that we've converted from liters to cubic units, we can convert to any prefix of cubic units we want. In this example, we want to convert to decimeters cubed. And remember, when converting between different prefixes of cubic units, we simply multiply by a power of 1,000 or divide by a power of 1,000. Well, since deci is 1 step to the left of centi on the conversion line, we need to take 500 and divide by 1,000 once. And 500 divided by 1,000 equals 0.5. So 500 centimeters cubed is equal to 0.5 decimeters cubed. This is how to convert between cubic units and liters step by step. If you can remember these 3 key facts and use the conversion line, you'll be able to handle problems like these with ease. As always, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget, like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more math tips. I'll see you next time.